Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the Lenovo Legion 5. And it's running a RTX 3070 and a Ryzen 5800H. Now, let's go. So this is pretty much what we get in the box. We get our usual books. We got some merchandise, branding, some Legion sticker. We have the mother of all power bricks inside of here, and we have the laptop. Now the power brick is a 300 watt power brick, as you can see over here. It's got a new kind of connector, and just for size comparison, this is the Asus G15, it's power brick, and this is the MSI GB76 is power brick, and well, just look at that. This is the guy she told you not to worry about. So here we have the laptop covered in foam. Let's just open it up. Like that. So here's the laptop. Boom, skadoosh. Nice. So here we have the laptop from all sides. This is the left side. Front. This is the right side. Get some focus in there. You can clearly see the speakers. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, then please hit that like and subscribe button. Helps me out greatly. Also, if you wish to see more benchmarks on this laptop, join my channel and you will see them popping up in the feed when they're ready. Okay, let's go for the first boot up. So this is the first screen you get when you log in. Just very plain, simple Windows experience. There's some McAfee stuff that you want to, or I at least, uninstall. So let's just take a look at the Lenovo software we get. A little icon down here at the bottom. And there's like network boost, automatic shutdown, hybrid mode. Now you want to, this is the mug switch, you want to turn this off. Don't turn into hybrid mode, just let it run full power. And this is what the webcam looks like. If you can even call this a webcam, this is horrendous. It's a 720p 30 FPS webcam, and it's super delayed, as you can see on the on the screen. What do you mean? Come on, go fast. And this is the non-pro model, and you just have a white backlight. It's pretty bright, I like it. There's two modes, like off, bright, and brighter. There's also a mode which you can use like with FNQ, and you can switch the modes. And it's like whisper mode, auto mode, and performance mode. Now we do also have a numpad over here, and overall it's a pretty generic looking keyboard. Now this is the idle fan sound. Now this is what the fans will sound like when you're playing very demanding titles. I'm currently playing Cyberpunk on Ultra 1080p with ray tracing on.